Hey guys, how are you? Today I want to talk a little bit about macronutrients, specifically carbohydrates. Carbohydrates essentially are sugars. You see in the back of a lot of food boxes, you'll see total carbohydrate, and it'll say something like 30 grams, 20 grams, 5 grams, 100 grams. Carbohydrates are sugars essentially. Your body takes carbohydrates and transfers them into sugars, breaks them down, and they are sugars. Carbohydrates specifically used in your body are for immediate fuel source. So pretty much from walking to talking to doing pretty much anything, your body uses that for energy immediately. To open your eyes, to move your hands, to do anything. Yes, there are muscles attached. You move with muscles and bones, but the carbohydrate that you eat, this food source, this macronutrient, it is called a carbohydrate. That is what we use for immediate fuel source. Now, if you want to go to other fuel sources, you'll think of fats. Well, it's not a fuel source as well. Yes, fats are fuel sources, but they are a long-term fuel source. I talked about this in another video. Fats are specifically used, this is a little subtopic, fats are specifically used for times when you're fasting, like if you're sleeping or between meals, your body might tap into a few grams of that fat because you're not currently eating. And this is why if you're trying to gain weight, you kind of don't want to wait too long between eating meals because your body will in turn use what you've already eaten and start burning. In our next videos, we'll be talking a lot about your body's set thermostat. We'll get into that in another video if you guys stay tuned for my content. Today's going to be just a short video talking specifically about carbohydrates. If you want to have better thinking in your day, you want to have more energy in your day, don't jump quick to caffeine. Don't jump to these energy things that people list on the market. All you quickly need is some carbohydrates. The whole world will be telling you, oh, exit carbohydrates, try to leave those out of your body. Your brain alone takes 25%, if I last checked correctly. 25% of your total carb intake per day is going straight to your brain, just for thought. Food for thought, literally. So just keeping that in mind, carbohydrates are an essential macronutrient. Then you got your carbs, your fats, and your proteins. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that for today. Just think that in your mind, carbohydrates are my immediate fuel source. If anyone asks you, what are carbohydrates? Now you know, your immediate fuel source for pretty much any part of your body. So for me, carbohydrates are a stay. People will tell you, try exiting out of your body. If you have specific diet plans, yes, it might be better to have a little bit less, but to completely cancel them out, you're missing out on an essential macronutrient. But thanks guys for watching the video. This was about carbohydrates. Eventually my videos will be getting a little more elaborate with a little more science and everything, and more editing. But for now, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Please like the video. It would help this channel out very much. Thank you.